Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Bottom of the deck, look at that. You guys have the Knight of Wands, so I'm telling y'all, somebody is coming in really fast. If not, no, this is somebody coming in. Somebody could have some information to give you, or it's just somebody new that's getting ready to come into your life really quickly. Leo. What messages do you have for Leo? Okay, but with the sun here in reverse, this is telling me that you guys are not happy about something. Whatever it is, you are actually coming out of worrying about it. Tell me more. Okay, so it looks like you guys walked away from someone here, and somebody's not happy about it. So now communication is coming in, and for a lot of you guys, the person that you walked away from, that person is one of your soulmates, and they want a relationship with you. They want a commitment. For others of you, I feel like by you walking away from a situation that did not make you happy, somebody's getting ready to rush in. And it's a soulmate. And this person will be the one offering you commitment. But honestly, for a lot of you guys, I'm really picking up this is somebody that you already know. Somebody you've been dealing with. They want to work on things. Could be an earth sign here. Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person is having a hard time. But they do want to start over with you. It's like they want to come in really fast to tell you how they feel. But at the same time, I feel like they're talking themselves out of it. And at this point, you're just coming out of being frustrated with this person. This is definitely for somebody dealing with someone in the past. I feel like every day you're getting stronger. Maybe every day this person is getting stronger here because now there's an offer. They want to start over with you. They know they messed up. Look at that. They want to balance things out with you because in the past, they didn't bring balance into the relationship. You were doing everything. Now they want to put in 100% of the work, but I feel like they're talking themselves out of coming towards you because they feel like you don't want the 10 of Cups with them anymore. It's in reverse. Somebody's feeling like they're not going to get that happy family, that just happy outcome with you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but somebody's trying to have hope here. Somebody, I feel like, is definitely trying to stay positive. I feel like it could be the person from the person in the past that messed up. But yeah, it is because they're not communicating with you at all. Death is here. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Scorpio. But when I see these two cards here together, somebody is definitely dealing with some type of it's a twin flame situation. Somebody, oh my gosh, somebody's definitely going through some type of spiritual transformation here. Definitely. So now they see. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Somebody's using their intuition. Look. Leo, did I tell y'all the energy was good? You guys are the 5th sign, and it's just been amazing. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, now this person is ready to move forward with you. Somebody's learned their lesson. They've undergone their spiritual transformation. They went through their awakening. They're now using their intuition, and they want to move forward with you. Okay. Look, I'm telling y'all, somebody is using their intuition. But I do feel like there is a level of fear here. Where's out the moon? Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. Maybe there's fear here because this person messed up in the past. And they're scared because they have to come clean to you about, you know, things that were hidden. Why is the Empress here? Is somebody fearing a new beginning? Let's see. Why is the Empress here? Yeah, somebody's definitely fearing this new beginning. Leo, I feel like it's you. I feel like this is you. You're fearing starting something new with this person because of either what they did to you in the past, or if it's not a past person, because like I said, I'm picking up two different storylines. It could be a situation to where you've been hurt so much in the past by different people. This person's getting ready to come in, if they're not already here, to give you this offer like they're amazing, and you're scared to take it because you're like, you know what, when I get this way, or when I felt this way before, I was let down. So I don't know if I can really trust you. Some of you guys could be saying, you know, the same thing about this past person too, because there is a new beginning here. Somebody's coming out of being sad. That somebody's definitely been working on themselves, but they feel like they're not going to have a happy home with this individual. Okay. Yeah, somebody's feeling like a situation is not going to improve. Clarify the Three of Pentacles reverse, please. Somebody's frustrated here. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. But somebody had to walk away from some type of toxic situation, but now it's like somebody's about to speak up. Somebody's coming out of being in that frustrated energy that I'm seeing right here. They're getting ready to speak up. But somebody's not putting in the work right now because they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity. So this could go vice versa, honestly, guys. And then Ace of Wands reverse. Somebody feels like they're not going to have a new beginning. Okay, so listen. Leo, if you were the one done wrong, I do feel like at this point, when this person comes in to tell you what it is that, you know, they want with you, they love you, they want to make this work, you're just to the point where it's like, you know, I'm not putting in the work. You want to be with me, you're going to have to prove it. You're like, you know, you have every right to feel that way. You know, that's why you're feeling like you're not going to have this new opportunity with this individual because they just messed up so bad so many times. And they feel like you're just going to reject them, which is why they're not making any moves towards you right now. I mean, you cannot make this up. This person's coming back, guys. Whoever you were dealing with, they're coming back to give you this offer. It's something that you've been hoping and wishing for. They're also coming back to give you an apology. But they don't have the confidence to do so right now. But they want the situation to improve. But, okay, so somebody could have been dealing with a Libra here. I feel like, yeah, some of you guys could have found out about some type of third-party situation. But I do feel like this person wants to come back towards you to speak the truth. Let you know that they got out of some type of third party. But you're still disappointed about it. You're still hurt. But they're coming back to give you an offer. But they're just... This person here, they're just not taking the lead to do so. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Maybe you're looking at this person like, you know, you were playing me. You were a player in the past. That's why you don't see things improving. Somebody's made a decision here, but they're back and forth whether or not they want to move forward. I thought, Leo, this is you. You're back and forth whether or not you want to move forward with this person and take them back, or if you just leave them where they are and keep it moving. Somebody's dealing with a Cancer here. But yeah, it's like, Leo, I don't know if you're keeping a close eye on this person. Honestly, y'all, this other person is keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you because they want to be with you. They don't want you to move on. Somebody made a decision. They're ready to give you the truth. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus here, but maybe they have to tell you that they had to get out of a commitment. Maybe get out of a marriage, get out of some type of situation here. So they're ready to come clean. Look at that. They love you. It's like they had to get out of a situation to come towards you. They're ready to take a leap towards you to fix things. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but yeah, there's definitely a connection here. But somebody's worried that there's no contentment with this relationship or in the relationship. Somebody may feel like their finances are not in the best shape. But somebody's a magician here. Somebody is definitely manifesting something here. Somebody's definitely trying to stay positive. Leo, I feel like this is you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo like yourself, or a Sagittarius. But I do feel like somebody's trying to stay positive, but you guys are looking at the situation like you feel like there's no security. You feel like there's no stability with this person. Could be dealing with an Aries. Yeah, this person had other options. May have been dealing with, you know, other options from their past. And it's like, no, I'm not going to take you back. And you're playing around. It's like, that's why it's like you really would love to balance things out with this person, but you just don't trust this person. It's like there's no balance with them. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I feel like you guys are definitely emotional because you love this person. You care about this person. You really want to make things work, but you're no longer expressing your feelings anymore. That's over. You're like, nope. You want to be with me, you need to take the lead, you need to come clean, and then I'll think about expressing to you what I have to say. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm just looking at it like, you guys are feeling like, okay, the seeds that were planted, they're not going to grow. There's a lot of conflict here. Things are not going to turn around. And the person that messed up, they don't have a peace of mind about it because they really want to work things out with you. They want to balance things out with you. And I feel like somebody's coming out of being frustrated about the situation because, yeah, somebody was definitely giving to two. Look at that. Third-party situation. That's why you cut them off. Somebody was definitely a third-party situation. And let me just say, it doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be family members, friends, whoever. But there was definitely some type of third party here. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But y'all cut them off because you're like, you know what? I'm tired of going through this dumb stuff with you. At this point, I'm done arguing with you. I'm dropping it. You're like, you know what? You're not worth the headache anymore. I'm over it. I'm done. Nothing's changing. There was a lesson for you guys to learn. So they're asking you guys to take a step back to reevaluate. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo here. But yeah, there was something you were supposed to learn. Maybe standing your ground. Not falling for the BS. Because yeah, this person was very childish. This person was very immature. The way they handle things. Could have been dealing with somebody younger than you. But just the way they just carried the situation was just, it was a no. It's like, even though you're coming out of that energy of feeling like you got stabbed in the back, the person that you cut off, they feel like you left them out in the cold. Yeah, Leo. They messed up. How dare you cut them off, okay? Like, no. Where they do that at? This person is, like, really emotional right now. But they're not speaking up. They have a hard time communicating things. Could be dealing with a water sign. But somebody's undecided about what to do. Yeah, this person that messed up, they want a new beginning. Leo, maybe it's you. Okay, so just looking at this, Leo, okay, you could be dealing with another Leo. I'll just throw that out there. But I feel like, honestly, you guys could look at the situation like, you know what? I don't want to deal with you anymore. I want a new beginning elsewhere. You're trying to have the strength to go in that direction. You're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into the situation with this individual, and you're focusing on yourself. You guys are focusing on healing. You're like, no, I'm not going to keep doing this. You keep breaking my heart. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But somebody's stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. But I feel like you guys are just letting it go. You're dropping it. You're like, no, I don't want you. You're playing around. No. You guys are standing up for yourself, and I feel like that was the lesson. You're putting an end to that cycle. But for some of you guys, I really feel like you're in your head about it. You know, because you feel like you lost something. It could be this other person feeling like they lost you. But somebody's feeling like they're not going to have a victory. You guys are looking at this person like they're sneaky. They're sneaky. They don't talk to you. They're not communicating. They don't approach you. They're not telling you what's going on. They're keeping things to themselves. But it's like, here they come, getting ready to rush back in. Wanting to tell you the truth. Wanting to tell you how they feel. But you guys have the Queen of Swords energy. You guys are cutting it off. Y'all are walking away. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.